Hey fam, I'm out here in the garden and I want to let you guys see what I've been doing and just to see how my garden's been going. Look, don't shame me because I did not take care of my celery, but I will be harvesting the celery and I'm gonna let y'all see the celery. Look, don't judge, don't judge. Look at my celery. So this is the celery. I'm gonna save some of the stalks. There's some stalks worth saving. So just know when y'all grow your celery, the celery comes up fast. So I'm gonna just clip from the bottom. I'm gonna clip from the bottom so it can regrow. And I'll let y'all see my apples. The apple tree yields some apples, so I am so proud. The cantaloupe hasn't come up. It's not the season. And y'all see I have 3 barrels of watermelon. So we'll see how that yield. It hasn't came up yet. I already ate some of my my kale. I picked this kale just about every 3 or 4 days. You see, I need to pick some more, but I already eaten my green potatoes. I mean my green. I need to go ahead and get the spray. So I'm gonna get ahead and get some neem spray because y'all see them little white things. So yeah, I got neem spray. And y'all see I haven't been on here. The birds got me. Let me see where I got the neem spray so I can spray some oil back up there. So y'all see I'm coming to the garden. Garden's not that big. This is the so I got lemon and lime trees this year. My lavender, I didn't take care of my lavender. But these are my apple trees, but I don't know. They've been tearing up they've been eating good off my, and y'all see I got neem oil. I need to make my own spray, but these little white bugs, we got to get them. Get them out. Let me see. Yeah, my spray. It's only a little bit. But y'all know these things come by so fast. They come by so fast, and you don't even know when they come. So, but I just want to show y'all the garden before I harvest the garden because I have so many cucumbers. Oh my gosh, so many cucumbers. Look at my lemon balm. And y'all see my rosemary. Y'all see y'all see my blueberries. Look, the blueberries. I know they're like, Viola, you crazy. My blueberries. My blueberry. I'll come out here and it's like every 2 to 3 weeks. I'm able to get, like a handful. You see, I haven't picked them today, but I wanted to show you my blueberries. I finally got the sticks, some more rosemary. My fig tree, I think I should yield some figs probably next year. I should yield some figs, but I want to show you guys something that's just, oh my goodness, that I've been so happy about. My grapes. Look, you're going to see my mom in the backyard, so I'm going to fan it. Say hi, Mom. Hello. So, like, right now, y'all see my grapes. Y'all think I'm playing. Y'all see my grapes? Y'all think I'm playing. The grapes are growing. My grapes are in here hiding. So, I come in here and look just about every other day. So, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 grapes. 6 bushels of grapes. Y'all see the watermelon? They didn't grow yet, but y'all see the buds. Y'all see the buds, so it should be coming out soon. But I just wanted to brag on my grapes. Oh my goodness. I'm about to pick them probably in a couple of days. I may pick a couple just to see how they're going. My strawberries down there. I didn't get too many strawberries, but I wanted to brag on my cucumbers. The cucumbers are already ready. I see that. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick the cucumbers, but I just wanted to show you my cucumbers. I have 4 in each bucket, and I know I should have made them less, but next year it's gonna be better. I'll have more buckets, more barrels. But y'all see the cucumbers? Cucumbers are yielding pretty nicely. I know I found the baby up under here somewhere, but the cucumbers are coming off nicely. I see the cucumbers. there was a baby down here. You know, they hiding. But there was a baby one down here, and I said I probably picked that one. I don't know if y'all can see it, but the little umbrellas are high. But just to see that the cucumbers are growing. So I'm going to go ahead and harvest the cucumbers today. Y'all see the other one. Look at them. Nice and pretty. So I wanted to do pickles, right? But I wanted to do it from scratch. But I'm just seeing these like kits for the pickles. But the pickles be next. Well, I'll be doing pickles with the cucumbers. I am going to do my famous green smoothie with a couple of cucumbers. But right now, y'all see the babies? You see them growing? They are so cute. I love cucumbers, but you see how heavy they are. And they leaning. So my bush, I see them down there. I will do a better job, but, and y'all see this will be with the cucumbers next year. Y'all see I bought this contraption, however you want to call it, but I bought this, look, don't judge. I bought this, about 2 weeks ago, and I said if I just let the grapes grow in there, but the grapes just grew over that way, and that's how I did it. But just wanted y'all to see the garden, see what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. I knew I saw the cucumber down here somewhere. Y'all see the cucumber? So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest them before the ants get them. But that's what I've been doing, taking care of my garden. No, I didn't take care of my celery, but well, I'll show you. Well, no, I ain't even got time to show the after, but yeah, I just wanted to brag on my apples. My apples are growing nicely. So it's just 3. So I'm gonna read up on, do I need to trim it? I'm read up on it. The leaves are healthy. The leaves are healthy. You probably see one thing right here that broke off, but the leaves are very healthy. I don't see any issues with my leaves, but I know y'all see some things because I got people that look on my channel and they see. But this is the garden. And I collect the rainwater until they tell me I can't collect the rainwater, but I do have the rainwater in here. Yeah, it's pretty big. You see, it's just halfway. It's about halfway. Just waiting. It hasn't been raining. It hasn't been raining too much, but just want to show you what I've been doing. So I'm going to harvest, and I'll let y'all see what my harvest come out to say. I'm trying to see if I should do these blueberries, but I will be doing my cucumbers. The grapes will be maybe in a couple of weeks. Y'all can put down in the comments that, girl, them grapes are ready. I don't know. This is my first year yielding the grapes. I know this is my second year with the garden. The strawberries came fast. And these cucumbers, I don't care what y'all said, but these cucumbers grew so fast, and I'm so happy. And I spoke to Theo. Theo was like, girl, your cucumbers are ready. You don't have to wait for them things to get big and soft in the middle, but I appreciate you, Theo. So I'll be harvesting them. And I know I keep looking at the cantaloupe, because the cantaloupe and the watermelon is going to take a little longer. I see that I may have to put some, I think I put too many too many watermelon vines in the bucket. Yeah, because I did 4. I did 4 each. Next year it's going to be 2. Next year I'm going to have less. I'm going to do 2 just to see how it comes out. But now y'all see what I'm doing. I know I got to cut the grass in a little bit, so I'm going to cut the grass and clean up out here. But now y'all can see what's been going on. If y'all see any tips, any things y'all want to, say, just put down in the comments. Because y'all know I'm always looking and learning, because this is printed money. Y'all looking at printed money. This one I'm talking about, y'all make your own money. So saving some pennies, it's going to yield some, but at least it'll feed me for a couple of days. To feed me for a couple of days. Y'all know how I say, You give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, you teach him, feed him for a lifetime. So I'm learning how to take care of myself for a lifetime. Yeah, I know it is. And I'm going to come back in and sit down for a little bit because I'm waiting for, I don't know what is going on with these with these limbs. Well, I know that big tree up there. Y'all said, well, girl, look at that big tree up there, up top. Yeah, that's the big tree up there. Huge tree. And I'm not going to complain about the tree because I know the tree is listening to me. You're like, girl, what you talking about? Y'all know trees are alive. Y'all better stop playing with these trees. Trees are alive. I love my tree. I just think she needs to be trimmed a little bit. I just believe she needs to be trimmed a little bit. So if you see the massive tree in my backyard that I've been looking at, here's a tree, massive. I want to trim those leaves up there, but I'm worried because you see how massive the tree is, and the tree is hanging over this lady's yard. So now I see, I want to just trim it a little bit. Ain't trying to cut it down. You know, at first, when I first moved here, I was like, I gotta cut it down because it takes my property, and y'all see how my fence is. So I just wanted to clean it up a little bit. Y'all already see how I cut some of her down. I come and touch her just about every day. I talk to her almost every day. Don't even get me. I ain't gonna sit here and fake the funk like I do. But I talk to her. Let me see, cause y'all see them things? Look at them. Y'all see? I'm spraying and they still trying to get up out of there. Look at that. Y'all see? See what I'm dealing with? Y'all see them flying? You're like, girl, you gotta do that once a week. Well, I don't want too much of this stuff up there. You know how I need to make some, because I got some neem stuff in there, so I need to make my own. You know, if y'all got a recipe, let me know, because this neem oil by Captain Jack's, you know how we, y'all know I ain't even gotta have that, finish that conversation. But anyway, now y'all see the garden, so I'm gonna go ahead and harvest my garden. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up these, the celery. I'm gonna go ahead and clean. Okay, fam, I was looking at my melons and there's two in there growing. I don't want to disturb nature, but y'all see how they're growing, and they're real tiny. I just had to say, I was in here looking. I just want to make sure that I don't step on anything. So I was in here looking at my melons, and I see those. It's probably some more down here, but I don't see it. Let me go inspect the watermelon to really, really look at the watermelon, because they be hiding. I was like, man, those are cute. But nope, I don't see any of the watermelon. I know I need to put some manure. I need to check the soil, because I see it's like yellow. It's missing something. And I'll go, and I was speaking to a couple, and they was telling me what to buy. So far with inspecting it, I don't see anything growing. But as you see, my melons down there are growing. So I'm gonna leave them alone and let them cook. Okay. Peace. Oh, nope. And I keep looking, fam. Y'all know I gotta keep looking. Look, there's another one growing right there. There's another one growing right there. So you know I'm super excited, super happy. Happy. At least my work is yielding. Uh-oh. One's gonna grow right there. Y'all see it? Y'all see it on the side? Yep. At least it's doing something. So I got stuff in here baking. It ain't baking, but it's nature. I'm gonna let nature take its course, fam. Y'all already see I done picked most of the cucumbers. I got little baby ones still growing. Tomorrow I'll be pickling. You know, I'm gonna let that one grow just a little bit more, because y'all see I done harvest some, and I'm gonna let the grapes do what they do a little bit longer. So, but I didn't make it, so I had to throw a lot in the trash. So this was left of my celery, and I just got a couple of blueberries. But y'all see the cucumbers. So I got a lot of cucumbers. So I know I should have laid them out, but I got a lot of cucumbers. I know a couple of them I should have left on there, but I was like, nope. So the next family is going to be, I'm going to make some pickles. Yes, they're going to be pickles. Some may go into my smoothie. Y'all know some may go into my smoothie, but the others, yep, I'm gonna make pickles. I gotta go see the stuff. Well, look, go see the stuff. I gotta go get the stuff. Yeah, I'm making my relaxed wise. It's in there. It's a hot seller. A lot of y'all be sleeping on that valerian root. Don't sleep on the valerian root. Y'all see here having all these issues. Don't sleep on that valerian root. Not gonna tell you my secret ingredients, but but I want to brag on my cucumbers. Gotta brag. All right, family. This is a couple of harvests. Y'all think it's a little bit, but next year we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Yeah. I was late. I was late. I was late on my celery, but at least I got some, fam. I'm gonna clean this up. Y'all be thinking this a little bit. I mean, thinking this ain't nothing, but this is still money that I ain't have to go out in the store and buy. So this is what I got. This is what I got, fam. All right. Harvest. Now you see what I be doing. But I'm proud. I don't know about y'all. You know, little steps. It's all about little steps. Little things you do goes a long way. You know, go a long way. The whole idea is to have my rosemary in every corner of the yard. And I'm going to have other herbs now. My the lemon balm grows every year. So I don't have to do anything with it, but pick it. I know I need to pick it because y'all see it. I got to harvest that too. So I sell that. I sell the lemon balm just like that. I just put it in the bags and let people look get it. They can give me $3-4. I don't even care if they give me $1. At least it's harvest. They have some fresh, and all I got is dry it the best way they can. But again, I'm just going to show y'all real quick of my yard. And no, it is not a snake. If y'all sit there and look at the that ain't a snake. That's the water hose. But now y'all see my garden. Small but cute and enough for me and my mom. I wanted to add it in the video. Okay, let me cut the yard. It's time for me to cut the grass and weed eat. So, all right, fam. And I got to clean the side of the house because there's some algae up there. And I got my stuff to go ahead and clean the yard. So that's what I'm doing. Peace.